Hello Kainatis, this is Celestial Snippets, where we talk about incredible facts of the universe to deepen your love for the universe. Today's topic is Saturn.
Celestial Snippets.
Did you know that the planet Saturn has something in common with baby oil? Huh? Well, let me explain. The density of baby oil is very similar to the planet Saturn, which means if you had a large enough pool of water, or if you had a large enough bathtub filled with water, and if you could muster up all the strength in the universe and pick this giant, beautiful ring world up above your head, and you could throw it in that pool of water, this beautiful, big, ringed planet, this jewel of the solar system, would actually float on water. That's incredible. So the density of Saturn is so low that if it were in a big pool of water, planet Saturn would not sink. It would rather float. Now, I leave it up to you to find and fix the challenge of finding a large enough pool of water or a large enough bathtub filled with water that will probably need to be hundreds of thousands of kilometers deep and filled with probably trillions of gallons of water. Anyway, I think this fact was definitely worthy of being a celestial snippet. Until the next celestial snippet, I hope you have a great time looking up at the sky and finding new wonders to look for and think about while we prepare for the next celestial snippets. Until then, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, press the like button, and I'll see you in the next celestial snippets.